I got this one for $11. And it doesn't have a cool name. But apparently this is Paco wood, according to the internet. I don't think it's necessary, but it's an $11 knife. 3CR13, I believe is what the internet said, because nowhere on the blade or in the box did it say that. So this is a good knife for my EDC testing. For 11 bucks, it looks okay to me. Lanyard hole, flipper, centered, tip carry, tip down only, non-reversible, only right hand carry. It does have a little bit of left and right blade play, which I have not tried to tighten the pivot, so that may remedy that. Good lockup on the liner. So there you go. I can't think of a nickname for this one, so let's just call it the Blue Streak. I don't know, that's kind of, I'm not even going to name it. Jimping on the blade or handle. CR13. Paco wood handle or Paco wood inlay.